Hello guys, welcome back to Jet Crabs. So today we'll be making Hanzo mask from Mobile Legends. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I make tutorials about mask, weapons, and other stuff. And our main material here is cardboard. Okay, consider subscribing. Also consider liking the video and comment what you want me to do next. So let's get into the video. So what we have here is the pattern. You can download it on the description below. Now select the second page and cut it on the side. Now on the third page, just add glue on its edge so we can put the second page on it. And now do these two to the first and second page. And when we're done, let's trim out the patterns. So ready your cardboard. Now take a pattern, place it in the cardboard, and then use a masking tape to hold it in place. After taping the pattern, use a marker to trace the pattern on the cardboard. And then take the pattern, flip it, and then trace it again. Now, do this for all the patterns. Trace it, flip it, and then trace it again. So, I'm done tracing the patterns. For the teeth, just glue it on the cardboard and then cut it out. And now, let's cut out the patterns. And now we will start with the teeth. Just follow the steps on the video. to adjust the headdress, you just need to fold the cardboard, and then once it fits on your forehead, just glue the folded cardboard. Now to add the helmet, you just need to trace the helmet on the headdress. So by tracing the helmet on the forehead, we can glue it using the guidelines from the pencil mark. So my mother helped me trace the helmet on the headdress. So as you can see, this is the traced line. All you need to do is glue the helmet on that line. Now this also applies to the jaw, the mouth. All you need to do is trace, and then after tracing, just glue it and just stick it on the base. And tada! Well, we're almost done. All we need to do is add the string. Now we are going to make a ring for the hook. So this string is for face mask holder. It's a freebie from buying from Lazada or Shopee. You can get it for free as a freebie. And now just stick the ring near the eye, both sides, and then add the string or the face mask holder. And we're done, guys. So if you want to color the mask, you can. I'll just skip the coloring part. It's up to you if you want to color it or not. So please consider subscribing, like, share, comment what you want me to do or any suggestion you want me to make. Thank you for watching. This is Jette, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.